This is a video for Grandpa Hinkle. We want to say happy birthday. Nate says happy birthday. Happy birthday, Grandpa. Let's show him the sign we made. Happy birthday, Grandpa. He likes to play with paper. Let's sing. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. And Dad. Happy birthday to you. He says happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. Someone's cranky.